Kiddos, do you know where eggs and milk come from?
The supermarket?
Let me show you. Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. What do farm animals do? Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. They do good for me and you. Hens, hens, hens. What do they do? Hens, hens, hens. Lay eggs for you. Hens, hens, hens. What do they do? Hens, hens, hens. Lay eggs for you. You got a lot of eggs there.
Yes! And hens!
Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. What do farm animals do? Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. They do good for me and you. Cat, cat, cows, cows, cows. What do they do? Cat, cat, cows, cows, cows. Make milk for you. Cat, cat, cows, cows, cows. What do they do? Cat, cat, cows, cows, cows. Make milk for you.
Yummy milk!
And now you know where milk comes from.
Yes! Cows!
These are our friends. Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. What do farm animals do? Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. They do good for me and you. Ba-ba, bees, bees, bees. What do they do? Ba-ba, bees, bees, bees. Make honey for you. Ba-ba, bees, bees, bees. What do they do? Ba-ba, bees, bees, bees. Make honey for you.
So good!
Now you know that bees make our delicious honey.
Yeah! We like bees!
Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. What do farm animals do? Farm, farm, farm animals, farm, farm, farm animals. They do good for me and you. Shush, sheep, sheep, sheep. What do they do? Shush, sheep, sheep, sheep. Make wool for you. Shush, sheep, sheep, sheep. What do they do? Shush, sheep, sheep, sheep. Make wool for you. A little present from our sheep friends to you.
Sheep keep